Tasneem. I'm an engineer graduate. I chose to learn digital marketing because it has a greater scope in the present and the future as well. I searched on Google an institute to join, and the top results I found Victorrious Digital. The reviews were great. I visited the website. The website is well structured, and you get almost all the information about the course and the institute. I decided to join the online training course. Though it's online, but I got 100% practical training. My trainer, Mayuri ma'am, was very helpful. She guided me throughout the course, and everything was taught in depth. I recommend to join Victorious Digital if you want to learn digital marketing. Thank you.